All right, everybody, congrats. You have completed stage 1 of prepping for a listing appointment. You have pulled all public record, completed your research. Now we're going to pull comps. So you're going to go to the Real Comp dashboard. You'll see all these apps. You're going to click on the MLS. Then you're going to go search residential detail. Remember, we're here to pull comps. I'm going to look at the stuff that's on the market right now, but we can only value homes, and appraisers are only going to value homes based on what has sold. So we're using the house, the listing appointment I'm going to today. It's residential. Type in the address. There we go. For sale. All right, now for comps. There's a few really important things. Again, I'm going to need to research, or I'm going to need to go back to this public record thing. This is the Remind document multiple times, so I have it pulled up and handy. I know it's a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bathrooms, 2,927 square feet. So I'm going to look for 4 bedrooms, 2+ bathrooms. This thing was just built. I believe it was 2019 or 2020. I know it has a basement. I know it has a garage. It is in Lyon Township. It is in South Lyon Schools. It may also count it as South Lyon. We'll see. So just be safe. Anyways, the important things for you when pulling comps is, okay, so it's not a perfect science, but you're looking for houses, obviously, which have sold. Similar or same bedrooms and bathrooms. Okay, so 4 bedrooms. I know this sub's new construction because my dad built in there a ton of these houses, so I'm very familiar with the sub. Got a little bit of a leg up, I guess, on this one. I want to be, if it's new construction, I'm trying to compare to new construction. Obviously, a lot of times we're doing resale houses, which are older, so I wouldn't be worrying about this. Basement and garage, those are important factors. I definitely want to be in the same city and school district for sure. I would prioritize school district over city if necessary. Sometimes you'll have to do that in places which are a little further out. Architectural style, it definitely got to be the same. You should be comparing colonials to colonials and ranches to ranches. Obviously, we're only comparing houses to houses. We're not comparing houses to condos. And it should be close on square footage. On small houses, like tiny houses, I'll do like 200 square feet above and below. This is a pretty big house at 3,000 square feet, so I'll do 300 or 400 square feet above and below here. For this one, typically I like to be in the same exact subdivision, so I'm going to remove this actually. I really just typed in the address, so it would auto place the pin for me, so I didn't have to find it on my own. And I'm going to include this seller's entire subdivision. There we go. Sub is priority. Okay, cool. So let's see here. Cool. All these are probably comps. Let's just double check. Okay, it's the same street as my seller. Very similar. Very similar. Wonderful. These are my 3 best comps. I would select all of them. Obviously, don't select the ones if there are ones which are not good options.